Hope the camera's on. Act right, Grandpa and Grandma are watching.
You might need a good behavior modifier.
Yeah. Actually, the whole world's watching. Future classmates will look up your name online and see these videos. So you were a big crybaby. You're a big crybaby. Ah, the benefits of a digital world. It's Mom teasing you. So what you guys get to do all day is play games.
I got you now. I got you now. What's in there? Uh-oh.
Pans. Boy, you thought Tupperware was fun.
Right now I'm still intrigued by the knobs. Mm-hmm.
Is Mom making you laugh? Is Mom entertaining you? That's funny. Watch your leg there, you're slipping. There you go, kick it back. Good job. Oh, look at that balance. Ooh, that was a nanosecond there. Yeah.
You're a mess. Somebody's been feeding the puppy.
Bad dog.
Somebody's feeding the puppy.
Come up to us and bag at the dinner table. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mommy's picking your nose on camera. Isn't that nice? Come here. I'd rather we use a cold rag to do it.
No.
Give me that.
Yep. You can't eat it. It's nothing that's edible. Oh, so close. So far away.
Dropped it.
There you go. Good job. Now you got it. Eat, eat, eat. Time to eat and take a nap, huh?